Hello kids. Okay, so today we learned the sound S, right? We listened to the story, we listened to the song, and we are going to learn how to write the sound S in our book. But before we go directly to the book, I'm going to show you how to write the sound S, okay? It's called the letter formation, okay? Now, if you look right in front of me, you're going to see a tray with something white in it. It's called salt, okay? We are going to use our fingers to trace the sound S. Now, go with me. I told you the sound S begins like a caterpillar, right? Remember your caterpillar formation. So let's go. Caterpillar, go down and around. Can you try it one more time? Okay, let's go slowly. Caterpillar, go down and around. So what sound is this? It's called S. Very good. Let's try it one more time again. Caterpillar and around. Now, the sound S is a short letter. When I talk about short, in your book, you have 4 lines. You have the top, 3 lines, sorry. You have the top line, you have the middle line, and you have the bottom line. When the sound is a short letter, we write it only in the middle line. You see the middle lines dotted. When it's a tall letter, it means it's big, tall like Miss Elna, okay? You start from the top line. But because the sound S is a short letter, so we are going to write in the middle line, okay? So we don't start from the top line, we start in the middle line because it's a short letter. Now let's trace the sound S. Say it with me, let's go. Caterpillar and around. Very good. One more time, let's go. Caterpillar and around. No bubbles. Okay, now let's try to write the sound S by yourself, okay? Let's go. Tell me, how do we go? Make sure you write it in the middle line. Caterpillar and around. Good job. Okay, where are we going to start? Do we start from the middle line or from the top line? If I do like this, is it correct? No. S is not a tall letter, it's a short letter. So we don't start from the top line. No. We write S starting from the middle line. Caterpillar and around. Okay? Good job. Now, after that, you go to your book, the handwriting workbook. You open to page 23. Here on page 23, you're going to see finish the patterns, color the pictures. Here you can see the patterns, right? It has the shape of the sound S. So here you trace the patterns. Use your pencil and trace the wiggling pattern. Okay, make sure you trace the patterns. And after that, go to the sound on page 24. S. Can you see the snake? First, you trace the sound here in the middle. Trace the sound. Then you trace the sound. Begin from the dot. You always see the dot. If you look at all the sounds, you will see a dot. Always begin from the dot. Follow the arrow and go S. Very good. So you trace all the sounds, then you color the picture of the snake. What's the color of the snake? You can color the snake green. And after that, You move to page 25 in the same book. Here you have a tracing pad where you still trace the sound, and then you try to write the sound s by yourself. Remember, I told you the sound s is a short letter, right? Look at your book. How many lines do you have? You have 1, 2, 3. The top line, the middle line, and the bottom line. And you can see the sound is written only in the middle line, which means it's a short letter. Now it says, finish the words, color the pictures. Here we have the sun. Remember we did the sounds, the beginning sound. I said the words and I asked you where you hear the sound. When I say sun, can you hear the sound s in sun? Very good. So there is a sound. So you're going to write the sound s in the beginning. So you finish it, then now you read the word sun. Next, a spider. When I say spider, what's the first sound I said? I said the sound s. So you also write the sound s here. The next, snail. The snail has the sound s in the beginning. Yes. So you write the sound s. And right here we have a snowman. Snowman. Snowman has the sound. So we write here s. Don't forget to trace the s sound here. Okay? Thank you.